Hi there, in this video I'm going to talk to you about the difference between a yarn over stitch and a yarn under or X stitch. So when you do a yarn over, you get a V-shaped stitch as a result. Generally that goes insert your hook, yarn is over the hook, pull it through, then yarn is over the hook again and pull it through, and that creates little V's. What I do and a lot of other people who do amigurumi, we use the X stitch, which is insert, yarn under, pull through, then yarn over, pull through. Again, that's insert, yarn under, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And this creates little X's instead of V's. And it can make a tighter weave, so you won't be able to see stuffing as easily through as the yarn overs. I'll show you one more time. You're going to insert, yarn under, yarn over, and that is the X stitch.